Hi friends, how are you doing? I don't know what you went through, but I went through an amazing experience and I just loved your energy. There was so much of participation. You guys are a great audience, I must tell you. I just loved it. Although this is probably the smallest TTOT group that we have had so far, but it is certainly not small in terms of quality. It's a quality group, and I'm really excited to go through this journey with you and welcome you to the TTOT community. I think you guys are going to do very, very well. Now, this is a short video just to tell you a couple of things. One, I want you to rethink and put your Josh into the participation. Treat this 5 weeks now instead of 5 weeks, because you have one extra week now. These 5 weeks, please put your heart and soul, जज्बा, जनून, जोश, तीनों चीज़ें इसमें डाल दो. I wanted to do a video immediately after that, but then I went out for a walk with the whole day you're sitting on this chair. So my pedometer had to show and I had to do my weekly goal. So I went for a longish walk, did my weekly goal on the pedometer. Then I came back and watched the Indian Idol, which I do every weekend. And after that, I have now sat down because the Indian Idol is just over and I said, let me record this video because I want to express this in absolute clear terms that I'm excited and I see you guys doing very well. Please, again and again, I'm telling you, your homework, your assignments, your journal are going to be your best tools. When we are talking about a tools kit, remember there's going to be no better tool than doing your assignments and building up your journal. And I have decided, I'm yet to talk to Jogesh about it, I have decided that we will both give you two prizes. One Jogesh will give, one I will give, and it will be a good prize. It will be a good prize. It won't be just a type of a e-book or something. नहीं, कुछ खास देंगे आपको. बहुत अच्छी चीज़ होगी, सरप्राइज है. To the best journal. So we'll take two best journals. So please prepare your journals and we have a competition after that. And we want to see whose journal is well maintained, lot of content, all updated references and all that. And you can be assured that that will be your greatest asset. Second thing, I'm going to get you the accountability partners list soon, maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow morning, depending on a couple of other things I have to do before I sleep. So let me see if I can do it tonight. But whenever it comes, you will have your accountability partners. They will remain fixed. We had Alka Talwar who couldn't join us today, so she will be in one of the groups, and I think you will come make a very balanced group. Now, with that, I am also looking at some senior mentors to also come in there. So I want to know from all the TTOT alumni if you are prepared to come into the mentorship. Like some of you have done earlier, it requires an investment of time, which means that when these people go through contests and participation and all, you should be available to them roughly say 2 to 3 hours a week, and you must attend the 4 TTOT sessions. So one is already over, the 3 more, if sometimes you can't attend, I can even still say, but generally you should be there throughout. So if you are prepared, let me know in my WhatsApp and I will add your name in that. So those people we'll put as a part of your group. The others, we are keeping a list, all right, but they may not, because they may come this Sunday, not come the other Sunday. Some of them were there partly today, not available throughout. So despite my saying that if you come, you have to come throughout, there were some people who came in the beginning and were not there after lunch. Please take a note of that. You are being noted. It is not it's betraying trust, because I said if you can't be there the whole day, don't come. And there may be some people who genuinely didn't do that, but some people still had that trick. They came and they walked away whenever they liked. I don't take very kindly to that, because we feel that we are having a code of honor, a code of conduct, and if we agree to something, we stick to it. That is what I call commitment. A good trainer is a good leader, and a good leader has high level of integrity and commitment. I'm not blaming anyone. Somebody could have had a very genuine reason, so I don't say anything. But generally, this is not something that I would like you to encourage you to do such things. Now, accountability partners done, this done, what else? I want lot of participation in the WhatsApp group. So today, whatever you studied, you talked of toolkit, you talk of other things, wherever you feel that you can chip in, write something and put it in the action lab, so that others get encouraged and look at that. I also want and I'm going to put this video in the TTOD community also, so that it will benefit those who have still not opted to join and may join. They may not have seen our messages earlier, so we'll still keep the doors open to anyone who decides to come and refresh. I will be very happy if some of the alumni, the observers who came today, could write their couple of lines of their experience today, particularly with reference to what was new. What was new when we were talking about TTOT3 and we said we'll make a difference? Was that difference visible or not? Would you? And as we go along, next session will certainly be the height of the difference, because today a lot of things work, but a lot of things were common and a lot of things were not common at all. So do write a few lines. We want to know how it was received as a comparison to the previous sessions. So that is that, and if there's anything more I will like to cover later, because this video has gone over strength and they don't take it in WhatsApp these days. So bye bye and see you. I also want all of you to write a couple of lines on your experience today. And when you write something there, please let me know. If you don't write anything, I take it that you permit us to use those couple of lines on any social media or in an email where we say what did the participants feel or how did the participants like TTOT. This could go on a social media platform or on bulk email. And if you feel that you can write in the WhatsApp group but you don't want it to be up there in public, please tell me either there itself, put in brackets, not for public, then I will not use your name and your those two lines in any social media, because I do want to put up a post tomorrow on LinkedIn, Instagram and all, talking about how I felt about this particular session. Okay, so thank you very much. Good night. Bye bye. I will keep coming and having a conversation with you. I want to see that this TTOT becomes a master class TTOT, and let's see that we can get much more fire into it, much more josh into it. Okay, so it is close to midnight, 11:45. I started early in the morning. You know, I've had a 7 to 8 hours of continuous talking, and I'm still energetic. If I can do that at the age of 70, guys, where is your Josh? Come on, let's see that Josh, and let's see some great performances. Bye bye, good night, see you.